Hi guys, I gonna show about how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. Here, I'm going to use Google Chrome, just click on it. Go to Google, then search Cisco Packet Tracer. Now open the first result with the new tab. Because netacad.com is the official page for download the packet tracer. So, it opens up page for netacad.com. Just click on Enroll to download packet tracer, and you can see the sign up page. Just move your cursor on sign up today. You can see their language option, so you proceed with English. Now you can see the sign up page. It's totally free account, so you want to fill the form easily. Right, if you have a Cisco account, just ignore it. So, I'm going to previous page, and click login. Now you can log in with your username and password. As I've got mine. And you are logged in. This is my netacad account. So, scroll down a little bit. There, you can see Packet Tracer, just click on it. It's going to open up Packet Tracer download page. There you see Windows desktop version, with 32-bit and 64-bit. So, to find what operating system you are using, just go to Desktop, then right-click on this PC, and select Properties. There, you can see System Architecture. I'm using 64-bit operating system. So, I'm going to download 64-bit. Then, you can see, download has been started. Click on Show All. The file size is 199 megabytes, and maybe, it will take around. Alright, done with download. Click on Show in Folder. This one is zip folder, so you want to extract all. So, just right-click on that folder. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Now you can see extracting files. After this, automatically open your extracted folder. Just double-click on Packet Tracer Setup file. Then, accept license agreement. And click on Next, continuously. And just click on Install. It will take a little bit time. Here, it's all done. Just click on OK. You can see the icon on desktop. And you can launch the packet tracer. So, click on Finish. click on OK again. There you can see. This is the new version of Packet Tracer 7.2. Now, you can log in with your ID. This is mine. Here, it opens up Cisco Packet Tracer version 7.2. So, I hope you understand, this is how you actually download and install Cisco Packet Tracer.